Hello dear Gemini, welcome back to my channel, and this is your April's third week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on videos and find your reading. Let's see what's happening in your life. Before moving forward, if you want to know more about the rituals because full moon is here, or you would want to know about my new service which is a counseling session that I've just launched, stay tuned till the end so that you can get more information about it. Let's dive into your reading. Let's see what's happening in your third week. In your love life, you've got the new fight and the lovers card. I do see that you are overthinking about something, and there are two messages that are coming in. One is for singles and the other ones who are in relationships or marriage. The ones who are single could be facing a lot of overthinking over this tiny issue, which is which one to choose, right? So that means I do see that you have a lot of options. You could be on matrimonial apps, dating apps, or possibly you're getting a lot of offers, right? Proposals. You are to decide which one to choose, which one is the best for you. So don't worry, because third week have such good energies which will help you finalize that one person, the one person who is meant for you, the one person you would want to marry or be in a relationship with, or that one person who's equally in love with you and it's not one-sided or there's nothing fishy about it. The second reading is for the people who are in relationship or marriage. I do see that you're stressing over the fact that there could be a third party involved in your relationship. If that is the thing, then yes, you are right. There is somebody that I see who's spoiling your relationship. Now, it could be an extramarital affair that your partner could be cheating on you emotionally or physically, or this could be your own friends or family who are trying to sabotage your relationship. So, if this is you, then please beware, because your partner is going to find you. And if this is them, then this is the week where you will probably find the real reason why your partner is distant from you, or you guys are having relationship problems. Coming to your career part, we have got the Two of Stars, the Alchemist, and the Star card, and you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising. Not necessary, but this particular sign popped up. In your work life, in your career, I do see that you want to start something new. If you're looking to start for a business, start it with the blessing of a woman or of a female, or you are starting it with a friend or a family, right? Or your investor could be a female. So I do see a female playing a lot of role in your work, in your business. I also see that now you are tired of maybe traveling a lot for your work, right? There was a time when you were like, wow, I have a traveling job, I'm being posted everywhere, or I get to travel a lot of cities or countries even. But now something inside you has changed. Not that this is for some of you, not all of you. You want a proper 9 to 5 job, or just you go to work and come back home and sleep and, get your own me time as well. So if this is what you're wishing for, you have got the star card here. Whether you want to start your own business, the star card is here. That means the go ahead. That means yes, it's happening for you. If you want a simple job, not a traveling job, go ahead, that's happening for you. So basically, whatever you are thinking in your work life, your career, whatever change that you want, that is happening for you. Whether that you want better position, more money, simple job, or business, anything that you're looking for, it is a very good card to have. All your dreams will be coming true, all your wishes will be coming true. So career looks great for you guys, whether you're single, relationship, situationship, don't matter. If you're not working, of course this is not for you, but if you're working and you have aspirations and dreams, then this reading applies for you. For love life, we know that it's going to be very good for singles, however, not so good for people in relationships or marriage. So beware, you guys. It's very important for you to be aware and open your eyes and ears if you hear anything or if you see anything. So if you would like to book a reading with me, do email me. If you would like to book a ritual with me, this is the perfect time. Full moon is going on. The energies are at its peak. Rituals are very simple, very cheap. And if you would like to book a counseling session with me, a spiritual counseling session where I will guide you through your problems, give you some remedies, listen to you, heart to heart conversations, and also This will be a very private session where no information is disclosed to anyone. So if you want a reliable counseling session, you can book one with me. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Also follow me on Instagram to make a booking or session or ritual. Just email me on the given email, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or Instagram DM me as well. Please follow me there, because all these information I give there first, right? Post there first. Every new service, counseling sessions, rituals, when to do, what not to do. You will get all the updates on daily basis over there, right? And please also share this video with anyone you think is in need for this counseling session. They need help, they're stuck, they're not able to move on, they need guidance, they need messages and spiritual guidance from their angels. I will be very happy to help. So take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.